Uli, ayan, nag-fake in ng kanan. And look at that left. Ang ganda ng timing dito. At nakita mo.
Ang laban na ito ay masasabi nating isang matamis na paghiganti ng ating pabansang kamao. At masasabi rin nating isang matamis na paghiganti ng sambayan ng Pilipino sa larangan ng boxing. Ang makakaharap ng ating pabansang kamao sa laban na ito, mga bossing, ay ang Thai professional boxer na si Narongrit Pirang, o mas kilala sa bansag na Passan 3K Battery. Ang Thai boxer na ito ay dumali ng 22 mga Filipino boxers at hindi lang ito basta-basta tinalo, ngunit tinapos pa nga ito via knockout at technical knockout. Ginanap ang bakbakan ng ating pambansang kamao at Narongrit Pirang sa MCA Home Depot Open Air Arena sa Taguig City. Ang sinumang manalo sa laban na ito ay siyang malalagay sa pangalawang spot ng IBF World Featherweight. Napakaganda ng pinakitang performance ng ating pambansang kamao sa laban na ito, mga bossing. Hindi niya binigo ang mga Pilipinong umaasa sa kanyang panalo. Itong si Narongrit Pirang, mga boss, ay may kartadang 44 na panalo, may 7 talo, may 1 tabla at 23 dito ay tinapos by knockout. Samantala ang ating pambansang kamao naman, mga boss, ay may kartadang 38 panalo, may 2 talo, may 2 tabla at 30 dito ay tinapos by knockout. Huwag na natin patagalin to, mga boss, bakbakan agad.
Sa laban na to, pareho sila, yes, pareho silang finding out of yung southpaw stance. Ito man si Manny Pacquiao, kapatid depensa ni Manny Pacquiao. Nakikita natin Hinito dito, nakatago, no? Hindi niya alam kung ano itong opponent niya na ito. Again, trying to connect and trying to measure itong si Pasong Pirang. Manny Pacquiao quickly connecting.
Mukhang all business si Manny dito, ha?
He has always been
right jab. At may binanggit sa atin si Manny Pacquiao. Just before this fight, sabi niya, hintayin nyo yung aking kanan.
That's something that they're trying to develop together with Coach Freddy. Coach, Manny Pacquiao gets nailed with the right. Itong si Pasong Pirang, meron parang isinusuntok na pabigla, ano? But Manny, nainis yata sa suntok na ibinigay sa kanya.
Mukha yata nagalit si Manny. Ito na.
And Pasong Pirang gets tagged by that right, Kinito. That right is hurting ito si Pasong Pirang. Hindi niya alam kung ano sinusuntok niya.
Well, parang groggy na ito si Pasang, no? Very, very early in this fight. Manny Pacquiao has unloaded some of his bombs. Pero si Pasang kanina, nakatama din ng isang matinding suntok. Hindi nakakasigurado dito si Manny Pacquiao.
Tabo yung left na yung kanyang kanan na pinanjab niya, no? Basic na basic yan, sumasabay doon sa kanyang pag-step. And Manny Pacquiao now getting a measure of Pasong Pirang now trying to go to his midsection itong si Pasong Pirang.
Well, kita-kita natin dito, no? Manny's all business at saka ang atake niya. Very, very concentrated. Hindi siya masyadong gumagalaw in terms of his footwork. Wala siya masyadong footwork dito. He's letting his fists do the talking sa laban na ito with 1:25 to go. Ito, that's a slip. That's a slip.
And Freddy Estrella calls it one. Ito, Manny Pacquiao trying to tee off itong against Pasong Pirang. Hindi niya mailanding yung mga suntok niya kasi si Pirang has this tendency to move forward, ano, sumusugod siya, thereby nawawala yung angle doon sa mga gustong punches ni Manny. That was the first slip ruled by Coach Radelbay, trying to use that right, trying to set up ito si Pasong Pirang, but Pirang counters with the left right.
Mabigat yung kanan na jab ni Manny Pacquiao, no? That's a setup jab for his left hand.
Parang hindi makuha ni Manny pa yung distansya ng kanyang suntok dahil ito si Pasong Pirang pumapasok din eh.
Well, matibay din ito si Pasang, no? And he knows how to bob and weave. So far, it's been a defensive fight for Pasang because Manny Pacquiao has been all over him. It's a swarming attack. Ito, again, a takedown. That's a slip.
Dapat siguro, yes, baka kung sa iba yun, mawawarning si Manny dahil tinulak niya pababa.
Okay, here we go once more.
Itong si Pasong Pirang, lucky to survive. If he survives round number 1.
Ang importante dito, hindi ma-frustrate si Manny, no? Even kung hindi niya makatumba, si Pasang here in this first round, he's gotta keep his wits together.
Ito, maagang 30-second warning, mga kaibigan, sa first round natin. And Pasang, hindi niya alam kung saan siya, malimit sumusuntok siya. Wala na si Manny doon sa pinagsusuntokan niya.
A nice right hand.
Itong si Pasang, si 3K Battery na meron siyang nakitang weakness ni Manny Pacquiao na isisikreto niya. Whatever that is, yan po ang iniintay natin. And Manny Pacquiao, again, trying to connect pero hindi pa natin nakikita yung landing ng solid punch from Manny Pacquiao dito po sa ating first and second round.
Well, Gino, that's because maganda ang depensa ni Pasang. Although tinatamaan siya rito, hindi masyadong solid, no? Because he's got both his hands up. Oh, sandali, that's a knockdown. That is a knockdown.
Yung jab, which looks like more of a straight, And then, ayun,
Yung tumama
narinig.
yung... Definitely knockdown yun. Tinamaan si Pasang.
Sa noong tinamaan Ginito.
Alam mo, sa volume of punches, it's a barrage. Barrage.
At nayanig po dito sa Taguig. Ito po si Pasong 3K Battery. The first knockdown scored by Manny Pacquiao. Another knockdown might
Sino?
be coming soon.
Parang basuka ito si Manny Pacquiao, no? Both fists churning, all guns blazing para kay Manny Pacquiao.
Yan pong kanan na yan, inihahanda pa rin niya para kay Marquez. And now, he's trying to test drive that right hand which has connected again. And ito si Pasong Pirang, hindi na malaman kung saan pupunta.
No answer. Pasang has no answer for Manny Pacquiao's aggressiveness.
Saka hindi ba kagalaw, oh?
Oo.
Nahihilo siya, hindi niya malaman
Sa
kung
dami
paano
ng
siya
suntok.
susuntok.
Sa
And
dami
he-
ng suntok ni Manny Pacquiao.
Yes.
Maganda sa rin depensa niya, but he just is not able to fend off all those punches coming from Pacquiao.
Grabing ginagawa ni Manny. Talagang tinatrabaho niya yung kanan niya. Kinito, look at that. Straight upper. Now trying to jab with that right. Leading with that right. And nailing him with that left. Ito si Pasong Pirang. Already a knockdown has been scored in the second round.
Parang hinahanap dito ni Manny is a one-punch knockout. And so far, hindi pa siya makapag-landing ng isang matinding suntok to put him down for good. Now, isang beses na bubagsak si Pasan, but Pasan is still standing. He's still fighting back. Oh!
Leading with the right.
Yan yung artillery ni Manny Pacquiao.
And
The
Pasong
arsenal.
Pirang is in trouble. Kinito, this guy is in trouble. He's trying to back off.
Paiwas-iwas na lang ito si Pasan. Manny Pacquiao is mauling Pasan 3K Battery.
Short of toying around with this guy. Going to the midsection and going upstairs again. Si Manny Pacquiao mixing it up. He nails him with that right of his.
Alam mo,
He goes to the body. Grabe yung variety, Kinito.
You have to give it to Pasan, ha? He's very courageous. Ito, lumalaban pa, no? Sa dami ng mga suntok na tinanggap niya from Manny Pacquiao.
Manny Pacquiao again working out that right of his. Trying with that right looping shot. Then trying to master yung right cross, Kinito. This is round number 2.
Now, nakita din natin yung mga suntok ni Manny. Hindi lang sa mukha, kundi sa tagiliran din, no? The side of the body.
10-second warning.
Pasang looks like he's going to survive his second round assault. Bumagsak siya in this round.
And
Hindi pa nakikita yung sustained attack ni Manny Pacquiao sa katawan. It's been all head so far. At wala pa tayong nakikitang assault by Manny Pacquiao sa katawan ni Pasan 3K Battery.
saka pansin mo yung kaliwa niya, bihira niyang binibitawan. No? Pag napadikit lang siya, but it's all been the right doing the work. Sabi kasi ni Manny Pacquiao kanina, abangan niyo yung kanan ko. And really, that right, he is trying to work at that so hard. At ito po, inuulit mo namin in preparation for that big one. On February 26, he is set to meet Manuel Marquez in a rematch, but he has first to finish off this assignment of his. Round number 3, or round number 4.
Nakita natin yung Chino, no? Yung right hand ni Manny turned the legs ni Pasan or robbery. Towards the end of that round, bumagsak siya. And I thought that was a legitimate knockdown.
It was, kaya nga magaling ang basa ni Freddy Estrella na ito ay isang knockdown at the end of the round at the bell ito. Again, no fighter can be safe after the bell. And Pirang, ito na, alam na ni Manny kung anong gusto niya. Manny has gotten his range but he gets nailed with the left. Manny comes back with that looping right.
Alam mo, very loose na din ang depensa ni Manny at this point, ha? Kung meron pang ibubugay ito si Pasan, dapat ipakita niya ngayon. Because here's an opportunity for him. Manny's fighting very loose, very confident. Napapagsak na niya na 2 beses ang kanyang kalaban.
Meron nagsasabi, baka naman si Manny kargahin itong si Pasong Pirang.
Ay,
Again,
I don't think so.
hindi po uso yan, no? Ayaw natin i-risk yan. And Manny Pacquiao now, ang sabi nga naman ano dito,
Oh, yes! One punch! The
the
left hand!
the left hand,
Left hand!
that left upper, Kinito.
Parang upper yun!
It's an upper left.
Woo!
That nail. This is the third knockdown scored in this bout by Manny Pacquiao against Pasong Pirang.
At sabi ni Pasan, okay, lalaban pa ako. One punch brought down Pasan in this round.
Eto na naman. Goodbye.
And that's it.
Kinito.
It's over. It's over. Manny Pacquiao, sensational knockout.
Win-workout lang yung kanan. Grabe ang kaliwa. Pumunta pa rin siya sa kaliwa niya. Ayan, nag-fake ng kanan. And look at that
Yun.
left. Ang ganda ng timing Kinito.
At nakita mo, no? Yung 2 paa, umangat. Umangat yung 2 paa from the canvas. Bihira natin nakikita yan.
Mamaya babalikan natin yung angle just to show
Grabe
you
yun.
how excellent that form of Manny Pacquiao was when he delivered that. Ang ganda
At saka
no?
yung power. Yung power. Umangat yung 2 paa from the canvas. And you rarely see that in a boxing fight. Not unless you see a Mike Tyson inside the ring.
Pero bago ko nga pala ituloy ang video na to, ipapakilala ko muna sa inyo ang 1xBet. Pwede kang tumaya sa lahat ng sports, lalong lalo na sa boxing. Ito ang pinaka the best platform dahil magkakaroon ka ng up to 7k bonus basta't gamitin mo lang ang code na ito. I-click mo lang ang link sa baba at ilagay ang promo code na ito. Maraming salamat po mga boss.